Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you the Newt Pet ability in Garden game of Roblox Summer Camp event update. Okay, let's get into it guys. So this is one of the pets from this Summer Camp update in Grow a Garden. And if you want to get this Newt Pet, you need to do crafting guys. You need to craft the Campfire Egg. And to craft the Campfire Egg, you need to reach tier 5. Okay, and you can craft here, and this is the crafting recipe. You need the rare egg, mango seed, and also 1 billion shekels, and you will have 35% chance to hatch this Newt Pet from this Campfire Egg. Okay, and then I'm going to show you the ability of this pet guys. I have already placed the pad in my garden, and I'm going to view the ability. Oops, okay, this one. Oh, sorry. Okay, 8.35% chance harvested fruit duplicates. Rare crops have lower chance to duplicate, and 5% extra chance for summer type fruit to duplicate. Oh, it can duplicate the harvested crops or harvested fruits, and the chance will be higher for the summer type fruit such as the pineapple and then the banana and so on. Oh, it's good. And okay guys, that's all about the Newt Pet and Grow Garden Game of Roblox Summer Camp event update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.